You gave this one to me. Amazon is testing a Dash Cart smart grocery shopping cart that sees what you buy. This is a cart which could show up in a variety of supermarket settings. It will likely launch in Amazon's own grocery store, which is opening in Woodland Hills. An actual Amazon grocery is where you're going to see this first. It's a smaller cart, and the technology, the way that it is right now, is focusing sort of on like a 2 grocery bag shop.
Right, not a full cart.
Not a crazy Costco cart. And the way that this is going to work, you're going to scan barcodes, drop it in your cart, and it's going to, or if you don't have a barcode, you're going to actually just type in a quick 3-digit code or whatever is associated with your produce, for example. It's going to happen on a little digital pad that's on the cart itself. And then the cart is also going to weigh the produce in order to determine what your cost will be. It'll do it all in one shot. And this will, of course, help you avoid the checkout line or even the self-checkout, where you once you get there, it's kind of, you know, it's a little bit of pressure here. So you scan your QR code at first, which will link it to your smartphone. You'll walk through the supermarket. You grab what you like, you scan, you put it in a cart, and you're living in the future. Well, that's how it works.
That is the future, really.
Well, the more future is eventually when camera tech just knows what the item is.
Yeah.
And you don't even have to scan. But this is more immediately practical with the scanning. And as you see here, it also has a function where it'll alert you if you drop an item in without scanning it, without having scanned it. The other cool thing here is this will let you track your spending. You'll see what you're up to if you have a budget or something. You'll see how much you're about to spend without being surprised when you get to the... I don't know if you've ever had that happen. You just add it, you throw things in the cart, and you get to the checkout.
All the time.
$2,000, and you wonder how that happened. What did I put in there? Where's the bar? Did I put a bar of gold in there? I didn't even notice. It's like, no, you were just in the wrong aisle.
Yeah.
You bought those premium goods.
Yeah.
You got the barbecue sauce. You got the crafty barbecue sauce. You know the one?
Couple more cans of caviar too.
Yeah, oh yeah, maybe that was what did it. So anyways, future shopping is coming, and of course it's being brought to you by Amazon. This tech is interesting, not just because it'll roll out in their actual stores, but you know they got the Whole Foods thing, so they could just roll it out there, gather all kinds of information and data on you, do all the things they want to do, and then potentially license these carts out to every single supermarket that's out there. The future is happening.